Hi, and welcome to the free mini classes brought to you by Genesis English, the only program designed to take intermediate level English speakers to an advanced level in 6 months or less for less than $100 total. Yes, you heard it right. Now, these classes are meant to be a complement to further accelerate your English to get you there faster than 6 months. So here we go. And today I'm going to present a concept that exists in English but doesn't exist in Spanish. I want you to start thinking in English. There is a concept in English when there is an abundance of something to finish the word by adding full. When there is an absence of something in the English language, we add the word less. I'll give you some examples. When someone is always thinking about other people, they remember their birthdays, anniversaries, etc., we call that a thoughtful person. When someone pays no mind to other people's business, we might call that a thoughtless person. When someone takes great care in how they do things, we might call that a careful person. When someone doesn't pay any mind on how they do things, we might call them careless. When something can cause you harm, like poison, it's harmful, while other things could be defined as harmless. Now, someone very focused is mindful. Someone who doesn't pay any mind is mindless. A country like the United States can be described as powerful, where other countries in the United Nations might be described as powerless. Things that have a use or purpose are purposeful, useful, while other things might be purposeless or useless. Now, I'm going to give you a little tidbit about how the English think. The English tend to tie things to organs. For example, someone who makes a comment that might appear to be dumb could be described as brainless. Brainless comment or a brainless person. While someone that doesn't take the accounts of the feelings of others, that feelings are tied to the heart. So they might be described as heartless. So if you make a heartless comment that hurts someone else's feelings, it might be good to follow it up with a heartfelt apology. This is how we tie it in. Now, let me give you another little tidbit. Sometimes something that it can be described as full is not necessarily countered by something that has less. I'll give you an example. Someone could be respectful. That means they respect other people. But what is a counterpart to respectful? It's not respectless. We have in English this and un that also tie into the equation. Someone respectful, if they are not respectful, they become disrespectful. Now let's take someone that is successful. They are successful. No one is successless. The opposite of successful would be unsuccessful. That counters it. Someone might be very truthful. In other words, they always tell the truth. When someone is lying, they are being untruthful. And then we have general terms like beautiful, full of beauty. What is the opposite to that? Well, they're just ugly. Let's be honest. Now, if you're wondering, is there any rule as when do we use full or less, and when is it this and when is it on? The truth of the matter is that you just have to dive into the language. Watch enough programs, watch enough movies, and by all means, read. It's really going to accelerate your English from intermediate to advanced level. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class, and welcome to Genesis.